Is this weird looking thing going to solve my wasp problem on the front porch? Time will tell. Stick around. I'll show you my results. The Rescue Smarter Pest Control Wasp TrapStik is supposed to also catch carpenter bees and mud daubers. So it's capture the queen, empty the nest, pesticide free, weather resistant. And it sure does look odd, doesn't it? So instructions are you reach into the center of the TrapStik and pull out the glue guards. Tear the perforated strip and remove the cardboard to expose the glue. Install the glue guards. Tuck one end of the glue guard under the cap until it locks into place with a snap. Install the other end of the glue guard in the same manner. Repeat on all sides. Then you're going to twist the thread, tie through the loops on cap to hang the TrapStik. I don't really like sticky traps, but I don't want wasps flying around my grandchildren this year. So we're going to reach into the center and pull out the glue guards. Easier said than done. It's ready to pull on too much. Okay, and there's the twist tie. Well, it's nicely packaged, right? They look alien, don't they? Right then, tear the strip. Ooh, it's already sticking. Well, let's see if we can figure this out without getting myself stuck in it. Snap. Well, that was easy so far. That one doesn't. I guess it isn't. I don't want to get my fingers on this. I do not. I like that satisfying clicky sound to let you know it's in there. So I have wasps that fly around. I know it's wasps because I see them on my Blink camera. Somehow they're attracted to the cameras. And they're also on the front porch, acting like they are the ones that cleaned out the front porch and paid for all the flowers and the plants out there when they did not. They do not. I am the dominant species. I just don't want any lizards or froggies to get trapped on this. I hope they don't. And the last thing is to take the twist tie and leave it through to hang the TrapStik. So they have, okay, several different places. I don't know if I need to thread it through all of them, but we will thread it through most of them. Oh, there's only 5. It's painful to watch me do things like this. There's only 4. But hey, if I can do it, you probably can do it too. Actually, where am I going to hang this thing? I think I'm going to put this one on the front porch. And then if it works, I'll get another one for the other 2 doors. So when I got it fixed the way that I had it, I saw that it was going to be hanging at an angle. So I went ahead and just made the 2 loops come up, and it's not very attractive because I'm not good at doing things like that. And then just made a loop at the top. I'm hoping that gives it a little bit more security because we have had a lot of rain and a lot of wind lately. I had no idea why a wasp would be attracted to that, but hey, you know what? We're going to see if it works, because this is on the front porch where we normally just kind of want to sit and hang out. That's where I at least want the wasps to be. I added a date up there so we can track and see how long this thing is going to be effective. Looks kind of weird, doesn't it? Looks kind of weird, doesn't it? It is now the end of July. It is still working. You see that one is stuck. I think there were two recent additions on here. I'll definitely be buying these again. It didn't attract all the wasps, but it sure got these two today. Definitely buying these again. Weird looking, but they're effective. Check in the text below and also in the pinned comment. I'll provide a link on how you can buy these items. Please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel or a playlist to suit your needs. Thanks for watching.